Hey, love, this is Dr. Misty, and you're about to spend the next 10 minutes doing something radical, actually listening to your body's wisdom instead of overriding it with your anxious brain. Find a position that feels genuinely good right now, not what looks meditative or what you think you should do, but what actually feels like a yes in your body. Maybe that's curled up like a burrito. Maybe it's lying on the floor. Maybe it's standing and swaying. Trust what feels right. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a breath that feels good. Not a perfect meditation breath, just one that your body actually wants. Your body has been speaking to you your entire life, whispering when someone felt safe, contracting when a situation felt off, expanding when something was truly aligned. But somewhere along the way, you learned to doubt that wisdom, to override it, to convince yourself that logic should trump gut knowing. Today, we're reclaiming that embodied intelligence. Let's start by exploring what your body's no actually feels like. Think of something you genuinely don't want to do. Maybe a social obligation that drains you, or a food that doesn't appeal to you right now. Hold that thought gently and notice what happens in your body. Does your chest contract? Do your shoulders rise? Does your belly tighten? Does something in you want to pull back or away? This is your body's no. It's not dramatic. It's not always loud, but it's consistent. Your body contracts, closes, pulls back from what doesn't serve you. Now let that image go. Shake it off if you need to. Now think of something you genuinely want. Maybe your favorite comfort food, or being held by someone you love, or doing something that makes you feel alive and free. Hold that image and notice what shifts in your body. Does your breath deepen? Do your muscles soften? Does something in your chest or belly expand? Does your whole system seem to lean forward, to open? This is your body's yes. It's an opening, an expansion, a movement toward rather than away from. Like your entire system is saying, more of this, please. Here's where it gets interesting. Your mind can agree to things that your body isn't actually consenting to. You can think someone is attractive while your body feels neutral. You can logically know a job is good for you, while your gut screams that it's wrong. Let's explore the difference. Think of a time you said yes to something because it made sense on paper. This could have been a relationship, a job, a commitment, but something in your body felt hesitant. Notice how that felt different from your body's genuine yes. Maybe there was a slight contraction, even as your mind was convincing you it was right. Maybe your energy felt flat instead of expansive. Maybe you felt like you were performing enthusiasm instead of feeling it. This is mental agreement without embodied consent. Your brain saying yes while your body stays neutral or even contracts slightly. Now contrast that with a time when your whole system, your mind, body, heart, was aligned in wanting something. When the yes felt integrated, full, expansive. Feel the difference. A true body, yes, doesn't require convincing yourself. It doesn't need a pros and cons list. It just feels right from the inside out. Your body is constantly communicating, but the messages are often subtle. Let's practice tuning in to these quieter signals. Place one hand on your heart and one on your belly. Feel the warmth of your own touch. Imagine someone you trust completely is offering you a gentle hug. Notice what happens in your body. Does something soften? Do you instinctively lean forward? Does your breathing change? Now imagine someone whose energy feels off to you. Maybe someone pushy or boundary crossing was moving closer to you. Notice what shifts. Does something in you want to step back? Do your muscles tense? Does your breathing become more shallow? Your body is always giving you this information. The question is, are you listening? Let's practice with something neutral. Imagine someone offering you a glass of water. How does your body respond? Neutral? Slightly open? Slightly contracted? There's no right answer, just information. Now imagine they're offering you your absolute favorite beverage, prepared exactly how you like it. Notice the difference in your body's response. This is how subtle and sophisticated your body's knowing is. It's not just about big decisions. It's constantly giving you information about what serves you and what doesn't. Here's the radical part. You have permission to trust your body's wisdom even when it doesn't make logical sense, even when other people disagree, even when you can't explain it. Think of your body's knowing as an ancient intelligence that's been keeping humans safe and aligned for thousands of years. It knows things your thinking mind hasn't caught up to yet. Repeat after me, either silently or out loud. My body's wisdom is valid. I don't need to justify my no. I don't need to convince anyone of my yes. My embodied knowing is enough. Feel these words in your body. Notice if there's any resistance. That's just old conditioning that taught you to doubt yourself. You can acknowledge it without obeying it. Your yes matters. Your no matters. Your body's subtle communications matter. You matter. As we finish this practice, set an intention to honor your body's communications in one small way today. Maybe it's saying no to something that feels contracted. Maybe it's saying yes to something that feels expansive. Maybe it's just pausing to ask your body what it needs before automatically defaulting to what you think you should do. Take a moment to thank your body for all the ways it's been trying to guide you, protect you, and serve you, even when you haven't been listening. When you're ready, take a deep breath and gently open your eyes. Remember, your body has been whispering wisdom this whole time. You're not learning to trust it. You're remembering how. This is Dr. Misty with Untamed Ember, reminding you that your embodied knowing is a radical act of self-trust in a world that profits from your disconnection. Go trust your yes,